Because that time, my boss was the worst boss in the world. Yung boss ko tinamad. Yung boss ko ayaw mag-show up. Wala din yung negosyo. Ito actually yung kailangan matutunan ng mga bagito eh. Na mga pumapasok pa lang sa negosyo. Make your calendar your boss.
So ngayon,
Sige.
isang Don Soriano na sobrang daming schedule with all the businesses right now and you're cutting down. And you're even like how many events you're attending. How do you now manage all of this?
So, may kasabihan ako, no? Make your calendar your boss. Ito actually yung kailangan matutunan ng mga bagito eh. Na mga pumapasok pa lang sa negosyo. Kasi, di ba, nung nasa corporate tayo, I don't know if nag-corporate ka ba?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
For 13 years.
13 years ka corporate, di ba? So, sa corporate ka, yung mindset natin sa corporate is, ayoko na ng boss. So, ako na yung...
Actually.
So, ako na. It's my turn to shine. Ganyan, di ba?
Totoo yan.
You want to be the boss?
Yes.
After corporate, I don't know if na-experience mo ito, pare. Pero experience ko kasi ito eh. Nung nawalan na akong work, sobrang petics ko.
Okay.
Kasi walang time in, time out eh. Walang structure.
True.
So, nung nawalan ng structure, petics ako, gigising ako ng oras gusto ko. Tutulog ako ng oras gusto ko. Ang ending, wala akong nagawa.
Okay.
Kasi nga walang structure.
Yes.
So, dito papasok talaga yung concept nung natutunan ko ng time na I have to make my calendar my boss. Because that time, my boss was the worst boss in the world. I was my own boss. Yung boss ko tinamad. Yung boss ko ayaw mag-show up. Wala din yung negosyo. Diba? So, you have to make your calendar your boss. So, nung time na yun, doon ko natutunan yung concept ng time blocking.
Time blocking. Okay, okay. That's my first time to hear that.
Time blocking, tsaka yung concept ng big rocks. November 15 every year. Sinischedule ko yung buong taon ko.
November 15 onwards.
So, kanya, November 15 this year. May deadline kami ng grupo ko. Nakaschedule na yung buong 2025.
Major activities.
Major activities.
That's good.
All vacations, birthdays. Sinischedule ko na lahat. Nakaplat.
Nakaplat na.
Ngayon, yun yung big rocks.
Okay.
Para kapag yung big rocks nakaschedule na, nakaayos na. Ang mangyayari ngayon, tsaka ko isisingit yung mga smaller pebbles. Example, may lagyan ng lunch. O sige, lagyan natin dito sa schedule natin. May butas ako dito. Pero lahat ng importante nakaschedule na. So, so my family is always priority. Nakaschedule yung mga friends ko.
Yeah.
Diba?
Grabe. Napakagandang. I hope you're learning. I'm really learning here as well.